So we have started configuring our switch, VLANs and IP address assignments. So let's verify before we start the video. So here I'm going to type enable or en, and now it's in show mode. So type show VLAN brief. So I can see in default VLAN 1, the ports are assigned by default here. And I have created two VLANs, IT VLAN and HR VLAN. IT VLAN on VLAN 10, HR VLAN on VLAN 20. And for the IT VLAN, I have assigned ports fast internet 0/1 so okay. And let me check the other switch, CLI, and enable or press tab, it will fill the command show VLAN brief. So in the second switch, I haven't yet started the configurations. Okay. So let me have a note on which port assignments I have been doing. Interface range FA 0/1 to 7. Switch port mod access. Switch port access VLAN 10. Similarly, I can copy these commands and let's say I need port FA 0/8 to 15 or 20. Okay. Switchport mod access. Switchport access VLAN 20. So this is going to be the same command for port configure port assignments for VLAN. Okay. So interface range command specifies you are going to add a range of interfaces, not just single interface. In case if you want to assign a single interface, your command should be interface FA 0/21. Okay, and the rest is going to be the same. Copy. Okay, so all three commands you need to remember because in CCNA exam these things are tested. Okay, in case if you are going to sit for the certification side, this can be helpful. And one more thing, here I have mentioned this FA 0/1, and without a space I have mentioned the hyphen. In real switches, sometimes there should be a space. So then you need to press the hyphen and all. So these things you can check by the question mark. Okay. Let's just have a look on that one. So I'm copying the command. Let me get into the CLI. And when I'm going to configure, I need to enter conft. So I'm in the config mode and I'm just checking the port range. So interface range FA 0/8, and I'll put a question mark. So you can see it mentions a dot in case if I'm having a logical interface. Those things I will explain you when we start a switch virtual interface topic. I will explain. Okay. For now, let me type a hyphen and add question mark. So it's showing hyphen or space and hyphen. It shows this. Okay. So you can add a hyphen. 8/ I get the point. So if you type 8 slash and enter, it shows incomplete command, right? So in packet tracer, it's asking you to add a space in between and hyphen. And now at question mark, you will see you can type your command. So 15, and now it shows CR, which means the command is correct. So let me edit my command which I typed with the space. Okay, space, and here is a space, here and here. Okay, and also after the configuration, you need to add no shut command as well. So which makes the interface up. Okay, and also you can copy paste all the commands at once like this if you are sure about the commands. If there are any errors, it won't take it. So from here, I can right click. Once you copy the commands on text document or anything, you can enter conf mod and just right click and paste. Okay. Since the commands are correct, without any error, it just accept the commands. Okay. In case if there are errors or something, you will be pointed out. So you need to do it again. So now I can verify the command by show wlan brief. So here you can see wlan 1090 already this was assigned. Now for wlan 20 HR, you can see the remaining assigned. From 8 to 20, I have assigned using this command. Okay. And for 21, like fa0/21, I have introduced this set of commands. So what's the difference? The range command is not there since it is a single interface. I don't need to specify a range command for single interface. Okay. So it's fine for now. And I can save my config. Right memory or copy run start. Okay. In most Cisco exams, they will expect you to use the copy run start for saving. Enter, enter.